You chose Less Annoying CRM because you value clarity, but you are still losing focus on scattered call activities, because when your telephony lives outside CRM, you miss a lot. The workflow stays cluttered, follow-ups get delayed, and deals don't move forward on time. It's because your telephony is missing modern integration features, and you're missing the flow. It's time to change that. Integrate KrispCall in Less Annoying CRM and bring clarity to your business calls. Sync contacts, auto-log every call, and make calls and send SMS directly from your CRM account. No more lost context, no more delays, just organized conversation details for every lead on time. So, let's see how this integration works. Setting up the integration only takes minutes. Just log into your KrispCall account and go to Settings. Navigate Integrations and search for Less Annoying CRM. Click on Connect, and KrispCall will prompt for your CRM account details. Now, head to your Less Annoying dashboard and go to Settings. Click on the Programmer API and create an API key. Copy the details to the KrispCall account and press Next. It's done. Your integration is complete. Now, you can customize your integration settings in KrispCall. Manage your general settings with toggles to configure your data sync preferences. Then, in Workflow Settings, get more specific on events to sync within your Less Annoying CRM. Next, connect one or all numbers you need to personalize your call and SMS activities. Once you've customized your preferences, start by syncing contacts. Whether you create a contact in KrispCall or Less Annoying CRM, the contact info auto-syncs both ways without extra effort. With contacts at the touchpoint, you can now make calls without leaving your Less Annoying CRM account. Start by installing the KrispCall dialer extension in your browser. Then go to Contacts and click on the KrispCall icon. Select the call option and get ready for direct calling. The notes that you create during calls sync automatically without any hassle. Even sending follow-up SMS can be done in clicks. Just like calls, click on the KrispCall icon in the phone number, choose SMS, type your message, and send. Along with the contact, call logs, voicemails, and call recordings get instantly synced to that contact's profile, keeping everything in context and every interaction organized and up to date. And missed calls? Don't worry about it. Your voicemail updates instantly in your CRM account as links. Listen to it without wasting time and get back to it immediately. One simple flow to keep your team moving forward. Integrate KrispCall in Less Annoying CRM today and make every conversation count. Organize your business calls and contacts with KrispCall.